Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this and want to know how they could put it into there. Well, you can't just put this into there because this is a fuzzy bitmap. So we need to recreate that shape. And I don't know if they want those colors, but we'll just start. I'm going to take an ellipse, and I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I really don't know how many there are, but they can change that to their liking. I'm going to take the 2-point line, holding down the control button, then I'm going to hit P. It will rotate from the center, so I'm going to go Control D, and let's rotate it 10 degrees, and then Control D, Control D. You really only need 3 or 4. You don't have to go all the way around, because I looked at it, and the colors are like repetitive. There's a red, 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 blue, 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 and you can change the amount of colors, but then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in different colors. Try not to, well, I'm not going to tell you how to do that. Just try not to get the same 2 colors too close to each other. Like when we spin this around, we don't want a red there. So we're going to put a yellow there. And that's all you need. Now, let me see what my nudge factor is. It's set on 12. I'm going to grab those colors and I'm going to move them out of the way just 1 click. That way I can move them back 1 clip. I'm going to go ahead and group them together, Control G, Control D, and because we're working in the center of the page, alternate C, and you can see it rotates, and it should be 40 degrees. So we'll just type in 40, and then we'll Control D again and make it 80, and then just Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Maybe I didn't pick the best color, but then you want to go to Object and Group or Control G, and then you want to bring in your state, make sure you're big enough. And by the looks of this, they use if they did it in Corel, they use the Twirl tool. So I'm going to grab the Twirl tool that's underneath the Shape tool, and you want it bigger than your item. So let's go like 17 inches. And then you can click on it anywhere and then go to the center and rotate it. And I'm just looking, it's rotated the other direction. So you can back up and then pick clockwise direction. And you can click on it in anywhere, but you want to be kind of near the center. Now the colors might be not as good as the other one, but then hit P and put the Texas in the center of the page, but you can see that you cannot see it. So it's still selected. So go up to Object, Order, Front of Page. You've got to be able to see the line. And then, I'm from Austin, Texas, which is kind of ironic. I might put the center of it right there, but I'm just going to do the center. So if we select it all and go up to our Intersect tool, it intersected that spiral into the shape of Texas. They have better colors than I do, but the person I'm trying to help, I'm just trying to get the idea across how you can do that. And then if you would nudge that out of the way, you could still take your border and nudge your border out of the way, and then make it stand out, make it black, make it thicker, whatever you want to do. Pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.